It's a fight for a paradise, fight for our life. So keep holding on until we break the spell. Free yourself, reach for the light in darkness and despair. If there comes a time when
Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Dylan, and welcome to my third unboxing of the year. Oh my god! How many unboxings are you gonna do this year? Well, including this one more. Yeah, actually coming in like 10 days. A little bit more, who knows. So, but other than... Wait, hang on. Oh, god damn it, future me! You're playing the wrong music! Can you please change it? Unfortunately that game did not have a collector's edition, or else I would have done it. Yes! Good! Good. But anyway, I digress. Today, we are unboxing Catherine. Full body. Little Catherine action. You got the three girls. Catherine with K. Catherine with the C. Rim. And little Troy. Vincent! Right there. So, there's the thing. An old bubble wrap. This little shiny little thing. But let's open this up. It's an unboxing video, Dylan. You should know how to do these. We made like 8 of those damn things. Yeah. So, trying not to. So, we open the plastic and unwrap. Plastic. Okay. Throw that over there, and like I said, you got that little thing, and then you got the sauce that comes with it. Your Heart Decider Premium Edition. You got that on that, and then you got your little thing there, or your little back of the case of your game. There. So. And also, you got the logo and the Heart Edition, yeah, and Atlas down there. And also, we got this there to put on the shelf. And then we open the box and we get all kinds of like sheep, blocks, and all that stuff. My history with Catherine is... Oh, God. I forgot how it started, but all I know is, I did not get the collector's edition, the first one, so many years back. But I did get the 360. I did play it when the release year, because I was into Persona, and I've been reading up on this. This was the game, and yeah, and I'm so excited about this remake, because I'm more shocked that we actually got a quote-unquote remake of Catherine, a game from last generation that this is a thing, and also a game I'm doing for Skullhead. So we opened that bad boy up, and we got 2 sheeps right there. Oh, I just noticed on the bottom, you can, if you see past, there's the... Are they dead? No, they're falling to their death. That's for sure. Oh! The sheep is talking! They're in love! They're gonna make sweet sheep love. So, okay. Oh, this is packaged like one of those, things. So, yeah, let's grab everything and put it there. I grabbed everything out of the case, and we don't need that. I just broke that box. Hopefully it's damaged. And so our first item is the CD. Wow. It has 21 songs from the game. That's really impressive for... but it's also one of these freaking cases. I don't like these at all. But 21... Is it a song selection, or is it just the soundtrack? It might be just the soundtrack, because this game has a lot of things. You get this. This is our first item, a soundtrack. And then you get a steelbook with the lovely girls from the games. And oh, also you get this thing. I'm now looking at it, and holy crap, this is really good. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. We compare it to the Persona 5 one. Here's Persona 5, and here's Catherine. They're completely different, kind of things, and it's like, I can't tell. Only reason why I have Persona 5 out is to do a comparison of it, but this is still one of my favorite steelbooks. Out of like the 2 game steelbooks I have, I'm not a big fan. Here's the Spider-Man with the Catherine. That's all. I don't know why I did that. But we have, let me remove the game real quick. You got, the sheeps all falling to their death. I really like this steelbook. I mean, it's really gorgeous. I wish it came with the regular case. I don't know why certain games do that and other games don't. So you get that steelbook. You get, you get a decent art book. Like, a actual hard copy book. And you got Rin there. Some concept art there of Rin. You got, Catherine with the C. Some more Thanks. English is not my first language. Yes, it is. And then you got that. And then you got the... Oh! They have the guy version of Erica. Huh. That's sweet. In this. And then you got all the... You have Afro Lady thing. That's right! I totally forgot! Joker is in this game! I totally forgot Joker was in this game! So you got Joker there. And then character commentary. Ooh, I'm going to have to read that later. And some fan service-y stuff in here. Yeah, oh, am I supposed to show it to you guys? I don't think it's appropriate for YouTube. Hell, already doing Catherine. That sounded wrong. Don't take it the wrong way. There's gameplay, or good thing. I actually really like that. I really like that. Vincent's trying to do a selfie. I mean, this is really good art book. I mean, yeah, it's definitely better than this one. P2. I mean, this is just as good as Spider-Man's like little art book that you got with it. I mean, it's really I'm actually shocked that we got a hard copy of it. So that, and then we get the cheap plush. Bah, look at it. It's wearing a little undies that God. No, his name is not Trevor! It's, Vincent! God, why am I having a brain fart in this one? So you got little undies there for the little sheep. He's so soft! Come on, feel it, feel it, feel it. Oh, I'm sorry, you have to get your own. I mean, like, you get, it's pretty much, if you can find this, if you're a real fan of Catherine, I really highly recommend this collector's edition. I mean, literally, and that means I mean, if you're a diehard fan, I mean, or you really love this sheep flush, then go for it. I mean, it's like to just get the game, it's like $60, and then you get all this stuff for like $20, and when you get the game, whenever I'm hoping this is on release day, you get the Steelbook no matter what. But you pay like 20 more, you get a 21 song soundtrack. You get a hard copy art book that is actually a lot better. Also, there's the cheap on the cover. And then you get this cheap plus. And also, there is, with Koromaru, I don't know where I'm going to display this, because Koromaru's kind of hanging out with little Morgana, and the sheep. Bah? What are you? Bah? So, yeah. And that's been the Catherine Full Body Collector's Edition Premier Heart Edition. So, this is relatively short. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go. Wait, this. Now, if you excuse me, I lost my train of thought. I will see you guys in the next exciting episode of when I unbox another game. No, seriously, my next video is going to be another unboxing. I betcha. So, stay tuned for that. Well, I'm going to play some Astral Chain and also Catherine Full Body. See you guys in the next one. Later!